Hello, my name is Surya. I am from class 10B. I am studying in BVM Global at Perimudi. I recently participated in the MUN held by NPS and was awarded verbal mention in the committee of UNHRC. UNHRC stands for United Nations Human Rights Council. I represented the country of Malaysia. The particular topic of this committee was protection of children's rights with special emphasis on child prostitution and sex trafficking. This was an incredibly hard topic to do as it is a many faceted issue and also rather controversial. All the students had to carefully approach this as the countries we represent are not just for name but our delegation. There were 25 students present in this particular MUN with 3 co-chairs. The countries we were given to represent were all known for having less than reputable situations for children. The various topics discussed were causes for children to enter prostitution, economic conditions for children being trafficked, role of the internet in the trafficking of children, rehabilitation measures for trafficked victims, and finally, prevention of sex trafficking and the role of internet during COVID-19 situation. These topics help us all understand the issue thoroughly and shows how deeply it is ingrained in our world today. It was incredibly interesting to see just how much research has to go into each of these topics to thoroughly discuss them. On the second day of the committee, we were mainly focused on coming up with a resolution with solutions for many of the problems discussed on the other day. 2 blocks were formed and the committee was split exactly in half. This gave me the opportunity to interact with other students from different schools and understand their experiences in previous months too. Though we were unable to pass a resolution, we were able to come up with many creative solutions for many of the problems we are facing today and showcase our problem solving skills. I had a very good time participating in this particular MUN and I managed to learn a lot. Though it was conducted online, it was still a very good learning experience for me, and it also gave me the opportunity to be a part of something this new and see how even in this new situation we are living in, we will be able to overcome all our problems and manage to do something successful. I would like to thank our principal, vice principal and all the teachers for continuing to provide us with these opportunities even during these trying times and encouraging us to go and participating in more of these. I hope to participate in many more MUNs in the future and make at least a small change in the world. Thank you.